In this video, I'll be talking about the best wireless headset, which will be the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless headset. If you're a gamer or just love your music, this is the headset you're looking for. Let's break it down. First things first, it's a wireless. No more dealing with pesky cables that get tangled up. You can move around freely without being tethered to your device. The wireless connection is strong and stable, so you won't experience any annoying dropouts during your gaming or music sessions. Comfort is essential for long gaming marathons or extended music listening sessions, and this headset has got it down. It's just designed to feel cozy on your head. The air cushions are super soft, and the headband is adjustable to fit your noggin just right. No more headaches from tight headsets. Now let's talk about what matters most, the sound. The Cloud Alpha Wireless delivers impressive audio quality. Whether you're playing games, watching movies, or grooving to your favorite tunes, you'll enjoy rich, detailed sound. It's like having your own personal surround sound system. If you're gaming with friends or on a call, the detachable microphone is a fantastic feature. It cancels out background noise so your voice comes through crystal clear. When you're not using it, just pop it off and you've got a sleek headset for music or solo gaming. Nobody wants their headset dying on them mid game or mid song. This one's got you covered with long battery life. You can enjoy hours of uninterrupted gaming or music. And when it's time to recharge, it's quick and painless. Controlling your audio is a breeze with the built in buttons. You can adjust the volume, mute the microphone, or even play and pause your music without fumbling around for your device. It's all right there at your fingertips. This headset is built to last. It's got a rugged construction that can handle some rough handling. So if you accidentally drop it or toss it in your bag, it should hold up just fine. The Cloud Alpha Wireless is compatible with a variety of devices. Whether you're gaming on a PC, console, or even a mobile device, you can easily connect and enjoy your top-notch audio. Now let's talk about the price. It's not the cheapest headset out there, but considering the wireless freedom, comfort, and excellent sound quality, it's a solid investment for gamers and music enthusiasts who want a high-quality headset without breaking the bank. To wrap things up, the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless headset is a fantastic choice for those who want a comfortable wireless headset with a superb sound. It's great for gaming, movies, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes. While it's not the cheapest option, the features and quality make it a worthwhile purchase. That'll be all about the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless gaming headset. The link for the headset is in the description below, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.